Hey guys, welcome to another video. Cuinix here. This is the same day as the economy cars day. Economy cars video. This car behind me, the Trailblazer. It's getting tinted, and I know it's a short video kiasi. And I wanted to show you the process that goes to behind tinting a front windscreen. And yeah, so yeah, that is what this video is about. So stay tuned. You should take it slow. Waking up at noon, wasting time. So this is how it looks inside without the tint. Is still overlaying on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. So basically the mold is heated so that it gets the windshield curve to its side. So that's when he transfers the tint to the inside of the car. It sort of has a shape. Let's say that windscreen shape to it. He's still fine-tuning the cuts. As you can see, he's cutting out this place where this particular part is. So yeah.
You are the one, all that I care for. You're standing strong, never losing ground. Never alone, you always will be there. You make me feel I'm the lucky one. Wherever you go, I will follow. I wish you were here by my side. I promise we'll be so much better. We'll make it this time. Take to let you in. Can we go on and make it together? Maybe our love has just begun. Wherever you go, I will follow. I wish you were here by my side. I promise we'll be so much better. We'll make it this time.
So that is the side he's actually flattened out, taking the water spots out, the bubbles, and this is the side we still with they did the back section. Let me show you guys. As you can see, the back section is already done. The tint is from inside, and yeah, really nice.
Waking up at noon, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's time. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's time. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight?